guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're making another smoothie recipe. This one is a very unique recipe. So to make it, we have here 2 medium potatoes and 2 medium carrots, which we've steamed, but you can always boil them if you want to, and then we froze them because we need them very cold. 1 cup of laban, and make sure it's laban and not milk, and this depends on your consistency or the consistency you want. If you want it too thick, you can just do very little. If you want it too thin, you can add more. 1 peach yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and lastly a handful of ice cubes. So you can always use white sugar if you don't have brown sugar, or if you prefer white sugar, we just use this one. So like usual, we're going to blend everything together. So in the blender, we're adding in the carrot and potatoes. Now we add in the yogurt. The sugar. Ice, and lastly we add in the laban. And now we're just going to blend, and once again we're going to start with the pulse function in order to not break our blades. So this is what they look like. They're nice and thick, and as you can see, and you can hardly taste the potatoes and carrots because we added the peach juice and the sugar. So you can hardly taste any of the other components. So this is a great way to get kids to eat vegetables. And this is a great way for you also to get in your vegetables just in case you need extra or you don't really like eating vegetables. So it's nice and sweet and cold and refreshing, and I highly advise making it because it looks weird and it sounds weird, but trust me, it actually is a combination that really works. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!